Hi, I'm Peter. Today I will be talking about the advertising campaign Feed the Good by Pedigree, which launched in April 2016. Its campaign analysis will assess the message, creative, and medium strategy. Analyzing the creative process of an advertising begins with the message strategy. Your product has successfully found a connection between their service and consumers, further reinforcing their position at the mainstream market. This product uses a one-set effectively message strategy appealing to the target market of pet owners on an emotional level. This is reinforced in Maslow's hierarchy needs field the campaign creation desired need for belonging and loudness, as well as generation emotional and effective appeals that create a sense of fear based on the physics models of effects. A big idea of this campaign is that feed the good. The work itself taps into poignant societal themes, calling attention to the way dogs affect people's attitudes and behaviors for the better, and the role Pedigree plays in feeding a dog's good nature. It tackles topics such as race relations, gang violence, and health fears, and show how dogs are able to help us to confront and overcome them. Pedigree has positioned itself to fit with the conventional family life role model value segment, as this segment represents the core of the medium's family life. This group of people have realized that the importance of dog in their life. They are willing to spend more energy and money for a dog. Dogs are good for people. They believe that owning a dog is an experience that transforms us for the better. Thus, the brand position and big ideas are highly appropriate for their target audience. In order to effectively evaluate the success of a campaign, Pedigree must have set objectives such as increasing brand awareness and gaining consumer preference. The most effective way of evaluating the success of the campaign is post-tests, where a tracking study can be used to measure awareness, recall interests and attitudes created by the advertisement through response rates and unit sales. The advertisements used an emotional appeal to relate it to consumer social and psychological needs that can be directly linked to consumer insight. The company uses a positive and hopeful tone, which reflects the personality of the brand. There are a number of creative techniques were used in this company that contribute to the emotional engaging nature of the advertisement. Visual is that studying the heart rates of people when they are with and without their dogs to show the great psychological and physiological benefits that winning a dog. This is able to capture the audience's attention and improves brand awareness. The key recommendation for creative strategy would be able to short conversation to make a big differences. Such a long video may bring financial burden to the company. Feed the Good, it has been covered in 3 key media channels: TV, print, and out of home. TV advertising is an effective medium for Pedigree. This is because a large numbers of people, large percentage of populations, they watch television. Therefore, it is the most reliable and trustworthy channel to spread product information or service. Additionally, it allows mass coverage combining the interactions of sight, sound, and motion that can develop emotional appeals, which attract more people to attention their product. However, the effects of clutter and limited viewers' attention can create a negative impact for the message reach. Another effective channel for Pedigree is print. Print can deliver high-quality, reliable content, develop credibility with their readers. Limitation on creative format and poor reproduction quality are two main disadvantages of print advertisement. For out of home, it can wide coverage of local markets and result in high levels of frequency. But where it is possible to reach very specific audience, In many cases, the purchase of the out-of-home results in a high degree of waste coverage. At the same time, because of the high frequency of exposure, out-of-home may lead to a quick wear-out. People are likely to get tired of seeing the same ad every day. So, Pedigree was able to effectively achieve their goals and engage their target audience through successful use of message strategy, creative strategy, and medium strategy.